Hey guys, welcome. This is going to be a video on the Traxxas wonderful cooling fan, part 3340 for the Millennium. The Millennium system over here. This is a brushless motor. I wouldn't recommend running this baby without, especially if you're going to use at least something like this. This is actually Traxxas Lipo battery. I recommend definitely getting the fan for it, especially if you want your unit to last that a little bit longer. There's also a very important note attached here. Has to do with the charging. The charging, if you're going to go ahead and put a LiPo battery, make sure the low voltage detection is enabled. That's in this little section right here. Really small writing if you really put it into perspective. But I definitely will look into that before you fire it up. But let's go ahead and let's get this installation on its way. So should be rather easy. There's some very great and simple instructions here. There's a nice diagram. And I think this is probably the easiest installation out of any upgrade you're going to have. So let's go ahead and take care of that. We'll remove these. I'm sure it's going to make it a lot easier to be able to work on this baby. Oh, ho, 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 here we go. And just so we can kind of see exactly what I'm doing, I'm going to go ahead and remove that cable so I could go ahead and connect it to this section right over here. There we go. See, there's that cable right there. I'm going to go ahead and go ahead and connect it. Nice, snug, and it's a beautiful fit. There we go. It is nicely in there. It's gorgeous. Oh boy. And just go ahead and connect all the cables accordingly. Boom. You got your blue with blue. And there's a wonderful yellow right here. Beautiful. And now we're ready to go. We just got to get that battery in there. So once again, this is the Traxxas fan, and pretty simple installation. I think this is probably going to be my shortest video. All right, hey guys, thank you for watching. Take care.